Hello, welcome to the Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the vibrant Peugeot 208 1.2 PureTech Active that does come in a gorgeous Faro yellow, really stunning and sure to turn heads. It does also come as a 2022 model in an exceptional condition with your 1.2 petrol engine, making it the ideal nippy city drive with plenty of contrasting features with advanced technology, including your LED daytime running headlights with the distinctive two-stick design. You do also have your stunning 3-claw rear design as well. For added protection, you do have your power folding door mirrors alongside your 16-inch Taxim alloys. Moving into your boot area, you will find a capacity of around 311 litres, so more than enough space to house all your day-to-day items. Stepping into your rear interior, it is a full cloth finish for enhanced comfort all round, alongside your fitted ISOFIX points and plenty of leg space. Stepping into your front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for driver convenience with access to your cockpit screen and central touch display screen, providing more than enough entertainment all round. Again, your two front seats do come with a full cloth finish with stylish contrasting stitching. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls with your options to easily navigate around your cockpit screen and display your vital driving data. Moving across into your central touch display screen, for quick connection, you do have your mirror link with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily listen to your own preferred audio or make hands-free calls. Of course, you do have plenty of radio stations alongside your USB and iPod connection as well. You do have your on-screen display of all your driving data and functions, including your parking sensors for enhanced safety in those tighter spots. You do even have your on-screen display of your climate control for much easier access, alongside your rear parking sensor activation when you do pop the car into reverse. You do also have your piano black gloss keys containing various climate options just below, and you do even have your handy power outlets alongside your cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.